It's so beautiful here. Grabe talaga. Wow. Okay, it's getting too cold. Kailangan natin magpainit. At alam nyo kung anong gagawin natin ngayon. Let's go back. So, shorter yung time limit niya by 40 minutes. So, sige. Ang challenge dito is maubos ko siya hopefully within 10 ang isang bowl. Tapos, mapilit ko na ma-down siya 10 minutes pace each without gagging or without being sick. Sige, kakayanin ko to. Yes, thank you so much. Thank you for winning. I get the free gift. I get the shirt. I got so emotional na nakita niyo kung ano yung ginawa ko sa Up Series. It was no joke getting here. Sobrang bait niya ako, binigyan ako. Next. My stomach is full. Technically, give me like siguro an hour to 2 hours bago kain ulit ako. Pero for what I paid for, 2,640, around nasa going 800 for the challenge. Okay na rin. So sige. Bago tayo tumaas ulit dito sa Iidabashi Hill, ano muna tayo? Mag Starbucks. Sige. Pretty much done for the night, pero one more na lang siguro before we go back to the accommodation. Isa pang ikot sa Shibuya. Yes. Lakas ng hangin at lamig dito sa Shibuya. Okay, now it's a bit too cold. Kung itong weather bukas na papunta kay Mount Fuji, baka magsuot na ako ng thermal. Yeah, it's a field day. It's a field day. So, mukta tayo ngayon sa Midori Hands. I can see it now. So, just got out of Nitori. Ang case naman dito, meron silang ilaw. Hindi namin na mamatest kung na-change ba yung ilaw to solid color. And a particular question is kung may warm white ba sila. Kasi yung specification sa mom ko. So, wants to make it very cozy. Pero sige, sabi daw niya, dito na sa Pilipinas. And siguro I could hit up IKEA pag ganun. Fine, hit up IKEA. Sige, so ngayon, dahil maaga tayo bukas, let's go home. Kasi I had a really, really great day. Let's end it with an early night. Impressive, so impressive. I could do this like yeah, pagod na ako. Basta I could do this all day, yun na yun. Okay mga kalaman, so nakabalik na ako dito sa kwarto and Wala pa rin nakabook na dito sa kwarto ko for the night. So, yay. Well, today was very special. Right now, dahil kasi nanalo ako dun sa food challenge ko, I consider this Japan trip so far as a sounding success. Ngayon, ngayon nararamdam lahat ng pagod eh. So, please forgive me. Now, I'm going to turn in very early dahil kasi tomorrow, I actually booked a tour going to Mount Fuji. And per update kasi ngayon ng mga news outlets, si Mount Fuji ngayon, nabalik na niya yung kanyang snow cap. So, that's going to be interesting. I'm going to take a lot of pictures. And since naka-shuttle service tayo bukas, kahit na medyo maaga yung call time natin, paano ba to? Kahit maaga yung call time natin, at least nakaban tayo. So, hindi na natin kailangan magpa-ikot-ikot pa. They're going to make it quite easy, quite chill. So, kung mag-doze off ako sa biyahe, at least hindi na tayo mangangarag. Pero, I'm definitely bringing my gear. Tapos, dalhin ko yung maleta. It's the whole purpose kung bakit ko siya binili. Dahil kasi kailangan kong, well, of course, pupunta tayo ng Gotemba. So, binili natin yung mga kailangan natin bilhan. And, yun. So, I'm going to end the vlog now tonight. And if you guys want to see more, please do not forget to like this video, share to your friends, follow me on my socials, deets all below, and I'm going to catch you on the next vlog. Do me a favor, seek fulfillment in what you do. Sobrang panalo yan.